Introducing the 2017 Toyota RAV4. With just over 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, a blind spot monitoring system, heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, and much more. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.